North Central Texas Council of Governments is a collaborative organization, cooperative organization. We bring together member organizations in the North Central Texas region. Within Research and Information Services, we work in two arenas, really. One area is your typical IT world, where we support the infrastructure and network that's used here at COG. And then we also have a research component, where we work with massive amounts of data. We're compiling all that information and making it available to the public for use and in their own study and for planning purposes around the region. We also support all of our web presence, our websites, and all the applications that we put out across the web. And we have an extensive geographic information systems infrastructure. I think one of the most rewarding pieces of working in Research and Information Services at Council of Governments is that we have a real ability to help not only this agency but the region. There's lots of opportunities around technology and these analytical tasks that we perform on a daily basis for there to be collaboration between groups within our agency and the region. Every day we're looking at new information, new challenges, and so we don't stagnate here. Everything is always moving, always pressing forward, looking for better ways to serve the public.